In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install an RX200 crossbar kit. You'll need to locate your vehicle-specific RX200 crossbar supplement. Complete the Fit My Vehicle journey on the Rhino-Rack website to locate your supplement. Refer to your manual to ensure you have all the parts on the part list. We're demonstrating assembling the front right leg first. Using the supplement, we know which pad and which clamps to use for this leg assembly. Using the key, unlock and remove the leg cover from the leg assembly. Unclip the lock and using the torque tool, twist the bolt 10 full turns, making sure not to completely remove the bolt from the leg assembly. Take the inner clamp and insert it into the leg assembly. There will be an audible click. Check the blue retainer clips are locked over the clamp. A flathead screwdriver may be required to secure the clips. Take the pad now and fit it to the leg assembly. Push on the pad until it locks into place. Make sure both tabs are flipped up to ensure it's locked in. Now fit the outer clamp to the leg assembly, making sure it sits in place correctly. Rotate the lock to lock position over the outer clamp. Using the RX200 crossbar supplement specific to your vehicle, trim the measurement strips to the correct length. Our measurement strips are 138mm for the front and 126mm for the rear. Insert the measuring strips into the crossbar channel. Insert the RX200 leg assembly into the channel of the crossbar and slide to the measurement strip. Make sure both tabs on the legs go into the guides on the crossbar. Insert the measurement strip offcut and trim to the end of the channel. Now place the crossbar end cap on and lock with the key. Once the crossbars and legs are assembled, place them over your vehicle's roof rails. Make sure the pads on your RX200 legs are pointing in the correct direction. The positioning of the crossbars will be different for each vehicle. Refer to your supplement page for the correct positioning of your crossbars relative to your roof rail. Unlock the bolt and tighten with the torque tool until it clicks. Ensure the legs are fitted properly, then place the lock back on. Place the end cap back on and lock. Repeat this for all sides and check the fitment is secure. Your RX200 crossbar kit setup is complete.